Because of you, I'm gonna be so damn rich today. And because of stocks, I'm gonna be super rich as hell today. Because of stocks, I've been given an opportunity. Because of stocks, I now have $1 million in money. Because of stocks, stocks. Yo, what's up, guys? And hope you like my silly song on stocks. I don't know, I was just sitting here singing it. I don't actually have $1 million in money. I wish I did. Anyway, today's news and stock market analysis. Holy cow! Another massive day of gains. Something going on with something in France. Something like the election of the president. Really had a big effect on the stock market today. Just shot up, like the NASDAQ shot up to all new highs. Completely dominated. Oh, buddy. Woo. Completely dominated Dow Jones. Okay, not completely. They were all up really well today. But the NASDAQ hit a completely new high today. And I'm expecting the growth of the NASDAQ to continue. I'm expecting all my positions that are in the NASDAQ to grow at a higher rate than other positions, but still competitively with the New York Stock Exchange, which is doing great as well. So yeah, for instance, today, IPGP, that guy had a $4 breakout. I'm expecting it now to hit up another 20% gain. So I've been long on this position, IPGP, since $100. I was in it at $100, and it went all the way up to $125 in like 4 weeks at one point. And at that point, it kind of came back down to $120 and stayed around there for something like 8 weeks, literally. And I stayed in it all that time. It went down to $116, went up to $121 in that time, and today it broke out to $124.50. Now, it's not really a huge breakout, but the reason I'm saying it's a breakout is because it's broken out of the base. Now, there was what I call a flat base, what many people call a flat base, for the last like 8 weeks in that stock, only ranging from a price range of 116 to 120. And that's why I held on to it, because it looked to me like it was forming a solid base. I honestly probably should have sold it at around 123 according to my rules, and then picked it up again at like 121, but I just kind of missed it. I was it only hit the 123 point like once out of when it broke out a long time ago, 8 weeks ago, and I just actually literally missed it. Like, just wasn't paying attention well enough, and that's kind of just my mistake. But it cost me, I guess, $600 in profit, or something like that, maybe $1,000, I don't know, whatever, it doesn't matter. Overall, the goal here is to end up positive and hold on to your strong positions, right? So yeah, so that's good. I'm expecting IPGP to continue its growth. Actually, I think it'll hit up $145 before it's gonna make a correction in its price and come back down to possibly 120. So when it hits around 140, I'm gonna be watching it to sell. If it hits 140, I'm talking like a psychic. Like, when it hits 140, I'm gonna sell it, and then I'll buy it again at 120 and sell it at 200. Yeah, you guys should be taking my stock tips. Not really, though. You shouldn't listen to people. You should be able to come up with these reasons and ideas on your own, based on study and practice. And that's kind of what I want to, talk about a lot. Is how I come up with my ideas, and they've worked well for me. So, that's what I want to give you guys. I just haven't, seen a lot of questions or demands for like lessons or something like that. So I don't really know what you guys want to hear about. I did a lesson on the successful stock pattern number 1, cup with handle, and that is a pretty important lesson, actually. But I guess the really next important lesson is how to pick a stock, because cup with handle doesn't matter if you're picking a crappy stock, right? Anyway, this is way off topic. Whole point of this was about what the gains today were great. 1.2% for the Nasdaq, and my portfolio showed more than double that, 2.6% gain today, which 2.6% gain in a day is awesome. Not like wow, I'm so rich, but it's definitely good. And if we can hold on to those profits for the next like 3 weeks and see them increase, then we are gonna be in a great position. So anyway, that's kind of an update. Amazon earnings are coming up on Thursday. What am I expecting? I'm expecting a price increase. I'm not expecting it to be too crazy though, because it already had a breakout. But I'm not expecting it to go down in price on earnings day. We'll see. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you on the flip side. What is the flip side? I don't know. I'm just trying to. Transitions are weird. Let's get out of here. Oh God.